Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking for beginners, inspiring craft ideas and safety hacks. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The journey into woodworking often begins with fascination, the smell of freshly cut wood, the sound of tools shaping raw materials into something functional and beautiful, and the vision of creating with your own hands something that adds meaning to your home or even becomes part of a profitable business. Yet, before imagination can run freely, one of the most important foundations every beginner must embrace is safety, because woodworking, while rewarding and inspiring, comes with its own risks that must be respected if one is to enjoy the craft fully and sustainably. Safety is not something that limits creativity. In fact, it is what allows creativity to flourish, because when you understand how to handle tools, wood, and your workspace correctly, you remove fear and hesitation, replacing them with confidence and focus. Confidence is what frees your mind to explore new ideas and gives your hands the steadiness needed to bring those ideas into reality, and this mindset, where safety and creativity work together, elevates woodworking from a casual hobby into a meaningful craft that can be shared, enjoyed, and even turned into a thriving business. For a beginner, something as simple as learning the proper way to position wood on a workbench, how to respect the sharpness of a blade, how to keep hands and eyes protected, and how to keep the workspace clean and organized becomes the building block of both skill and artistry. When these practices become second nature, woodworking transforms from a series of risks and uncertainties into an empowering process where every cut feels intentional, every sanding stroke feels controlled, and every finished piece feels like the result of mastery rather than luck. And when mastery meets inspiration, the doors to endless craft ideas swing open, because the imagination is no longer hindered by worry, but supported by a mindset that says, I can do this safely, and therefore, I can do this beautifully. Once you establish this solid foundation, every piece of wood becomes a canvas for creativity. And what once seemed intimidating becomes an opportunity to explore ideas that not only enhance your living space, but could also appeal to others in the marketplace. Imagine beginning with small projects like picture frames, coasters, or decorative trays, not just as practice, but as meaningful works that showcase personality and craftsmanship. With each project, your awareness of safety ensures not only your well-being, but the consistency and quality of what you create. And with that consistency, you start to notice how small, thoughtful crafts can bring joy to others, how a handmade tray can brighten a kitchen, or how a carved wooden decor piece can become a conversation starter in someone's living room. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. These small sparks of joy are what elevate woodworking into something greater than a pastime. They become the seeds of entrepreneurship, because when people admire and ask for your creations, the thought naturally arises, could this become more than a hobby? The answer, rooted in both safe practices and inspired design, is a resounding yes. The beauty of woodworking is that it allows endless exploration, from simple rustic designs that embrace the natural imperfections of the wood to polished, modern creations that fit seamlessly into contemporary spaces and in every style. The safety mindset ensures you have the longevity to keep building, keep creating, and keep profiting from your passion. Beginners often underestimate how critical this balance is, but those who respect it find themselves growing not just in skill but in vision, able to tackle larger and more complex projects while still holding on to the joy that first sparked their interest. With time, what once was cautious handling of basic tools evolves into confident artistry, where safety no longer feels like an instruction manual, but like a rhythm guiding your every move, and from within that rhythm, creativity flows effortlessly. That is when woodworking becomes deeply meaningful, because it is no longer about just cutting and assembling. It is about expressing yourself, contributing beauty to the world, and creating functional art that enhances daily life. And when you combine that personal fulfillment with the potential to earn income by selling your crafts, you begin to see how woodworking is not just a hobby, but a lifestyle and a livelihood. Today's market is hungry for authentic, handcrafted items that carry both beauty and a story, and when you can tell buyers that your crafts are not only stylish and functional, but also created with care, precision, and a deep respect for the process, you elevate your work above mass-produced alternatives. Customers feel this difference. They see it in the details, in the smoothness of a finish, in the sturdiness of a joint, in the individuality of each grain of wood, and they connect to it emotionally. Safety, in this way, becomes invisible but essential, because without it, the consistency and quality that attract customers would never exist. For a beginner, embracing safety also means embracing the idea of responsibility to yourself, to the tools you use, and to the people who will eventually own or gift your creations. It allows you to work with pride and integrity, knowing that every item crafted has been given the attention and respect it deserves. And when you operate from this place of care, your craft naturally becomes something greater than wood and nails. It becomes a reflection of your values, your creativity, and your dedication to excellence. That dedication is what buyers remember, what family members cherish, and what transforms simple pieces of wood into heirlooms or profitable treasures. The moment you realize that woodworking can provide not only a creative outlet, but also financial opportunity, the importance of safety becomes even more obvious, because building a sustainable craft business requires long-term practice. And long-term practice is only possible when you protect your hands, your eyes, your workspace, and your mindset. By prioritizing safety from the very beginning, you are not just avoiding mistakes, you are investing in your future as a maker, as an entrepreneur, and as an artist. And this future is rich with inspiring craft ideas that flow naturally once your foundation is set. Rustic shelving that combines function and character, decorative pieces that celebrate nature's patterns, or even practical furniture that showcases both durability and style. Each creation carries the imprint of your imagination, but is anchored by your respect for process, and together they form the essence of a meaningful craft. Ultimately, woodworking is about more than tools or techniques. It is about mindset, and the mindset that blends safety with creativity is the one that allows woodworking to evolve from a simple hobby into a thriving business. It is what separates the casual tinkerer from the dedicated craftsperson, what ensures that every project not only brings satisfaction, but also adds value to homes and lives, and what guarantees that your hands and heart will be able to continue shaping wood into beauty for years to come. By embracing safety as your partner and inspiration as your guide, you unlock the full potential of woodworking, discovering that each cut of wood holds within it not just possibility, but opportunity, a chance to create, to inspire, to profit, and to live a life where imagination, skill, and care are woven together into something extraordinary. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking for beginners, inspiring craft ideas and safety hacks. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.